Hi guys, just wait here while we get everyone inside. I have just a couple of announcements and I'll let you run free. Everyone in, thank you. And welcome to Tokyo. As you guys have probably noticed, you've just stepped off the streets of San Diego Comic-Con and into the very heart of Tokyo, the birthplace of Godzilla. Now guys, all along the street, we have some original props, we have some authentic costumes, we have some one-of-a-kind pieces you'll see here you won't see anywhere else. The space was designed for you guys to enjoy, to explore, take all the photos and videos you want in this space. However, and this is where I need everyone's attention, if there comes a point where myself or my crew ask you to please put your phone or your camera away, it's because we have some exclusive surprises here that are for your eyes only at Comic-Con. We need your help to keep it that way. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Awesome. Now, if you guys have downloaded the Godzilla Encounter app, you're going to want to switch to translator mode and keep your eyes out for 5 signs that look like this one. They have a legendary knot at the corner, and you hold your phone up, it'll translate that from Japanese to English right before your eyes. If you find all 5, you're going to unlock an exclusive piece of content. Cool? Alright guys, there's a lot of people here, there's a lot to see, so get moving. My name's Daniel. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. Out now. Oh yeah. Otherwise he's having a really rough week at Comic-Con. No, none of this on the street is a new Godzilla. This is all a tribute to the classic Toho. Pieces. There we go. So you unlock terrified in this area.
All dollar signs featuring.
Oh yes. There might be one right over there. There might be a few more down this way. I just don't know. I have never been to Tokyo. How you guys doing? Pretty cool. Is this your first time to Tokyo? Yeah, like it. Good, we're glad you're here. Let me know if you have any questions. Have you seen any of the Godzilla movies? Yeah? I'm really thinking about a whole new time. Yeah, I think the last great slice of and we have every single Godzilla movie Tokyo collection. Shindo's ramen bar, where Mr. Shindo can tell you a little bit more about the legend of Godzilla. And I'm going to the fashion stores and my different we have some limited edition Godzilla Nikes. This other pair is actually done by one of our artists. They all go in the world. We got some eagle eyes over here. I think someone's about to find a homo. Now guys, in the manga store are some of my absolute favorite pieces. Now this was hand designed, hand sculpted just for this exhibit. It's on loan from a private collection. Of course we have some vintage pieces in here. Quite proud of some original pieces from before my time, before yours. Some other looks at Godzilla, the Space Godzilla, the Mecha Godzilla. And one of my absolute favorite at the top here is the glowing, burning Godzilla. It's the scariest nightlight you'll ever put on. Guys, let me know if you have any questions.